Hello, my name is Boyan Gonif, and today I will be talking about system theories in action. System theories in action is a comprehensive work that applies system theories to real-world contexts with particular attention to its use in the fields of social services. It is important to first understand the basic principles of system theory before delving into the application in this area. Some of the key concepts of system theories. System theory is an interdisciplinary study that explores how parts of a whole work together and influence each other. The theory has a broad application across various fields, including biology, psychology, management, and social services. In the context of social services, system theory provides the framework for understanding how individuals, families, and communities function as interconnected parts of a larger social system. Some key concepts in system theories include one, systems. A system is a collection of components that are interconnected and work together to achieve a specific goal. For example, in a social services, a family unit may be considered a system where various members, parents, children, etc., work together, but each member also influences the other. Another one is boundaries. Every system has boundaries that define what is inside and outside the system. In social services, the boundary could be a line between a client, individual, or family, and the services they receive from social workers. And these boundaries may also be cultural, institutional, or psychological. Number three, input, throughput, and output. These terms describe how the flow of energy, resources, or information within a system. Input could be the needs of a client, throughput could be the services provided, and output could be the outcome of the interventions, such as improve family dynamics, reduce poverty, and others. Another one is homeostasis. A system tends to maintain stability or homeostasis by adjusting its parts to balance. This concept is important in social services because the client may attempt to return to a previous state of equilibrium even if it's unhealthy, such as returning to an abusive relationship. Feedback loops is another one. Feedback can be either positive, reinforcing change, or negative, correcting deviations. In social services, feedback loops help assess the effectiveness of interventions and allow professionals to adjust strategies as necessary. Number six is equifinality. This refers to the principles that where the multiple ways to reach the same goal. For social workers, equifinality means the elements can achieve positive outcome in different ways depending on their unique circumstances and needs. Number seven, I have subsystems. These are smaller systems with the larger system. For example, within a family system, there are subsystems such as parental subsystem, the sibling subsystem, etc. Each subsystem influences and is influenced by others. Number eight, openness. Systems are open, meaning they exchange information and resources with the environment. This is particularly relevant for social services as external factors such as societal changes, policy, economic conditions can affect the well-being of clients. Applications of system theories in social services. One, case management and interventions. Social services providers use the system theory to understand the client's environment and identity how different parts of a client's life, such as family, work, community, are interconnected. For example, in family therapy, systems theory may help identify patterns of behavior within a family that contributes to a child's behavioral problem. Through interventions, social workers aim to modify these patterns, addressing the larger system rather than individual behaviors. Number two, understanding a social problem. System theory helps social workers see the larger social, economics, and cultural systems that contribute to issues like poverty, homelessness, substance abuse, and mental health disorders. For instance, a client facing housing instability may be impacted not just by personal choices but also by systemic factors like availability of affordable housing or the structure of social welfare programs. 3. Interdisciplinary collaborations. The interconnectedness of systems theory emphasizes and addresses social problems requires a multidisciplinary approach. Social workers may collaborate with healthcare providers, schools, law enforcement, and other agencies to provide comprehensive services and consider all aspects of clients' life. 4. Prevention of community building. System theory also informs community organizations and prevention efforts. For example, community, a wide interventions might target systematic issues such as access to educational and mental health resources by addressing broader system issues. Social services can create long-lasting positive changes and that extend beyond individual clients. Number 5, cultural sensitivity. Social systems vary across cultures, and system theories emphasizes the need for cultural competence. Social workers must understand and represent the different systems and their clients may be a part of, such as familial structures, societal norms, and religious practices. This ensures that interventions are both effective and respectful to clients' values. Evidence and additional source material. 1. Family system theory. According to Murray Bowen, one of the key contributors to system theory, understanding family dynamics is critical in social work practice. His family system theory posits that behaviors in families are a result of complex, interdependent interactions rather than isolated actions of individual members. This approach is critical for social workers dealing with issues such as child abuse, divorce, or adolescent delinquency. 2. Ecological system theory is another influential perspective in social work. It focuses on the multiple layers of environment: microsystem, mesosystem, exosystem, macrosystem that affects an individual's development. Social workers using this approach consider how all levels of environment, from family to broader societal influences, impact the clients. 3. Critical system theory. A critique of traditional system theory is a critical system theory, which emphasizes the importance of social justice and power dynamics in system. This perspective asserts the social workers need to actively address inequalities within systems, not just focus on making the system function better. By applying this theory, social workers might challenge unfair policies or structures that contribute to clients' difficulties, particularly for marginalizing populations. In conclusion, system theory provides a robust framework for understanding the complexities of human behavior within a context of social services. By recognizing that individuals and communities are a part of a larger interconnected system, social workers are better equipped to address the multiple factors affecting clients. This holistic approach not only enhances the effectiveness of interventions but also promotes a deeper understanding to the root causes of social issues, leading to more sustainable, meaningful solutions. By integrating concepts like feedback loops, homeostasis, and subsystems, social workers can assess and intervene at various levels for individual therapy or system change. Furthermore, the interdisciplinary nature of system theory highlights the need of collaboration among various sectors to effectively tackle social issues. Ultimately, system theory offers valuable insight and strategies for enhancing social service practice, ensuring that interventions are both client-centered and socially informed. Thank you.